While the greater part of the digital currencies concentrated on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of an exchange in a significant manner. There are not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turn their regard for computerized publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith, which truly is very huge. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Theta and by and large comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary standards in every practical sense have sort of attacked the much sought-after digital money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Fellow benefactor Steve Chen and his committed group of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto token upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that controls Thetas in every practical sense. Decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients in a creative new blockchain. Theta especially is an open-source convention reason work to drive the genuinely decentralized streaming organization and takes into account kind of vertical decentralized applications to be based on top of the stage to empower esport, music, television, motion pictures, training, endeavor conferencing, distributed streaming, and considerably more. To lay out plainly in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm energetic and happy to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time for the most part. Since innovation has certainly begun being the prevailing element in the decentralized shared network, Theta will tackle its vast majority. With the dramatic development in the computerized publicizing area, it most certainly is enormously essential that there generally is a harmony generally accomplished among sponsors, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be more and most certainly more knowledgeable with long-range interpersonal communication and video devices related with. There in every practical sense is a blossoming interest for promotion obstructing programming that sudden spikes in demand for an excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs, with truckload of cash and time spent on watchers' very own information. It generally has turned into a mammoth undertaking to synchronize the kind of whole usefulness of systems administration and pruning the pointless. The accompanying elements stay to be investigated on a worldview premise. Promoters pay tokens to distributors to in a real sense carry their advertisements to clients. Clients basically procure Theta for review advertisements explicitly. Consideration is observed in the courageous program utilizing MLAI innovation. Sponsors get most certainly great returns because of expanded degrees of exactness. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with minor cost changes. Way back in 2018, it had recently begun its excursion with a cost around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there sort of has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta cost forecast really somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from the start towards the year's end. Theta truly has had a notable excursion all through. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely encouraging way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships in a significant way, in light of 1 year of verifiable information. Theta cost cruised well over the course of the past year, and presently it is on a vertical flood, which is very critical. In view of our estimates, a sort of long-haul increment is normal. The cost anticipation for 2026 explicitly is $20.56. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to especially be around plus 535.55%, which is very critical. Regardless of its reception, the Theta cost will quite often confront heat till 2022. Going by forecasts that bulls may essentially be back, Theta cost ought to wind up marginally higher, say by 2024 $28.21 at kind of the best. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the in every practical sense, current cost of Theta sort of is $3.29, and information shows that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the specific beyond 1 year. The exchanging volume has been $251,885,653.35 with a market cap of $3,297,019,627.23 alongside a flowing stockpile of 1 billion Theta, which is very critical. The cost conjecture considers a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, comparable coins. Theta value expectation 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There truly are expectations that Theta truly is ready for a rise sign even in every practical sense, 1 year from now, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of an even triangle on the hourly graph. The Theta coin could basically run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines contacting $4.63, which is genuinely huge. Theta value expectation 2023. Going by the insight about more limited and longer value patterns of crypto figure, All things considered, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be entirely ideal for Theta coin for heightening, particularly with rivals getting up to speed, the intensity, or the market reflecting monstrous unpredictability in a significant manner. In any case, toward the finish of 2023, Theta cost will contact $5.36. Long-haul digital currency figure Theta value expectation 2024. Yet again expressing that a stunning chance doesn't essentially exist on the lookout and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Theta will lead the crypto coin realm with a presentation of cost fixed at $5.29, which shows Theta has full especially possible going by the example to sort of support as well as could reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances in a significant way. Theta value forecast 2025. This year could check the benchmark year as the cost of the Theta coin is in a real sense anticipated to fundamentally outperform a normal of $7.30 by for all expectations and purposes implies. This year, no vital elements like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies for the most part. It is normal that the vast majority of the harm done would basically be headed straight toward fix work in every world economy. And the crypto market, or so they sort of thought. Theta value forecast 2026. It by and large isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with costs of $2 finished with an increase of $8 and is of now exchanging around $3.29. Consequently, it has for the most part helped the market feeling peculiarity to trade definitely incredibly. Merchants and financial backers have begun wagering on the drawn-out cost of Theta following this sort of token intently for a venture. Theta, future value forecast 2026 and then some, which by and large is genuinely critical. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the really long haul instead of the present moment, with a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high on the long haul. Financial backers can especially expect a circle back toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of Theta would basically develop dramatically. By when Theta would be no kind of more a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. Does Theta have a future? Theta explicitly is one digital currency that really will in every practical sense have a for the most part splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it generally will lead the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long rule, which really is very huge. Is Theta and in every way that really matters? Why speculation? A reasonable level of effort is consistently fitting, being a by and large key component here in a significant manner. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you trade insightfully, facing a calculative challenge. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and debates, Theta uncovers an extremely solid and dynamic biological system. In this way, it essentially is a genuine stage. For what reason is Theta rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence financial backers have rested in the resource, which especially is very critical. Simultaneously, it in a real sense is a sort of smart explanation that Theta is recorded on the trade to show in every practical sense extraordinary execution, or so they sort of thought. This triggers financial backer reaction and shows a for the most part